Storage with style, look at this. We got an external hard drive with RGB lighting. Welcome to this unboxing video. Today we got the Asus FX external 2.5-inch hard drive. Now time to take it out. It is simple as that. Now this is a 3.1 GAN USB cable, and it apparently is a micro B to USB Type-A interface. And we got our manual and warranty here. So now I will plug it in and get some information. You see the RGB light start shining. By the way, this thing supports Aura Sync, so you can pair it with other Asus RGB device through Aura Sync software. So the one I got here is 1TB version, as you can see. When it comes to performance, this thing doesn't stand out at all. This is just a conventional speed of 2.5-inch HDD. And look into the disk info. This is actually a Seagate 1TB model. And note that this is a SMR drive instead of a PMR. With that being said, the transporting speed in the real-life usage is still fine. Also, I have to mention that there's a user on the Taiwanese forum report getting very slow sequential write speed on the 2TB version, so you might want to avoid 2TB version after all. So at the end of the day, neither the price nor the performance is being particularly well, but the bottom line is, it is a disk with style. Thanks for watching, we will see you next time.